بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم والكتاب المبين.
By the oath of the luminous Quran,
إنا جعلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
we have sent it as an Arabic Quran so that you may understand.
وإنه في الكتاب لدينا لعلي حكيم.
And that, i.e., the Quran is undoubtedly in the mother book, i.e., the preserved tablet with us, which is definitely exalted, full of wisdom.
أفنضرب عنكم الذكر صفحا أن كنتم قوما مسرفين.
So, shall we take away the remembrance, i.e., the Quran from you, because you people go beyond the limit?
وكم أرسلنا من نبي في الأولين.
And how many conveyors of unseen news, i.e., prophets, did we send amongst the earlier people?
وما يأتيهم من نبي إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And whenever any conveyor of the unseen, i.e., prophet came to them, they only mocked him.
فأهلكنا أشد منهم بطشا ومضى مثل الأولين.
We henceforth destroyed the people who were more forceful than these, and the state of the earlier ones has already passed.
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن خلقهن العزيز العليم.
And if you ask them, who has created the heavens and the earth, they will hence definitely say, the most honorable, the all-knowing has created them.
الذي جعل لكم الأرض مهدا وجعل لكم فيها سبلا لعلكم تهتدون.
The one who made the earth a bed for you and made paths therein for you, that you may find the path of guidance.
والذي نزل من السماء ماء بقدر فأنشرنا به بلدة ميتا كذلك تخرجون.
And who sent down water from the sky with the proper measure, so we revived a dead city with it. This is how you will be brought forth on the day of resurrection.
والذي خلق الأزواج كلها وجعل لكم من الفلك والأنعام ما تركبون.
And the one who created all pairs and made from the ships and the animals a means of transportation for you.
لتستووا على ظهوره ثم تذكروا نعمة ربكم إذا استويتم عليه وتقولوا سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين.
That you may sit properly on their backs, and then remember your Lord's favor when you have sat on them properly, and say in this manner, Glory be to Him who has given this transportation in our control, and this was not to be in our control.
وَإِنَّا إِلَىٰ رَبِّنَا لَمُنقَلِبُونَ.
And indeed, we have to return to our Lord.
وَجَعَلُوا لَهُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ جُزْءًا إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَكَفُورٌ مُبِينٌ.
And they have appointed some of His bondsmen to be part of Him. Mankind is indeed clearly ungrateful.
أَمِ اتَّخَذَ مِمَّا يَخْلُقُ بَنَاتٍ وَأَصْفَاكُم بِالْبَنِينَ.
Has He chosen daughters for Himself from His creation and specifically chosen sons for you?
وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِمَا ضَرَبَ لِلرَّحْمَنِ مَثَلًا ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ.
And when one of them is given the glad tidings of that thing which he has attributed to the most gracious, his face therefore remains darkened the whole day, and he is grief-stricken.
أَوَمَن يُنَشَّأُ فِي الْحِلْيَةِ وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٍ.
The one who is brought up in ornament, i.e., women, and in argument cannot make herself clear.
وَجَعَلُوا الْمَلَائِكَةَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنَاثًا أَشَهِدُوا خَلْقَهُمْ سَتُكْتَبُ شَهَادَتُهُمْ وَيُسْأَلُونَ.
And they regarded the angels to be females who are the bondsmen of the Most Gracious. Were they present at the time of their creation? Now their testimony will be recorded and an answer will be demanded from them.
وَقَالُوا لَوْ شَاءَ الرَّحْمَنُ مَا عَبَدْنَاهُمْ مَا لَهُمْ بِذَلِكَ مِنْ عِلْمٍ إِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَخْرُصُونَ.
And they said, if the Most Gracious willed, we would not have worshipped them, i.e., the angels. They do not know its reality at all. They only make speculations.
أَمْ آتَيْنَاهُمْ كِتَابًا مِّن قَبْلِهِ فَهُمْ بِهِ مُسْتَمْسِكُونَ.
Or have we given them some book before this which they are holding firmly?
بَلْ قَالُوا إِنَّا وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا عَلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ وَإِنَّا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِم مُهْتَدُونَ.
Rather they said, we found our forefathers upon a particular religion, and we are following their footsteps.
وَكَذَلِكَ مَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن قَبْلِكَ فِي قَرْيَةٍ مِّن نَّذِيرٍ إِلَّا قَالَ مُتْرَفُوهَا إِنَّا وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا عَلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ وَإِنَّا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِم مُقْتَدُونَ.
And similarly, whenever we sent any warner before you, O beloved, into any town, its wealthy people said only this, that we found our forefathers upon a particular religion, and we are following in their footsteps.
قَالَ أَوَلَوْ جِئْتُكُم بِأَهْدَىٰ مِمَّا وَجَدتُّمْ عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَكُمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا بِمَا أُرْسِلْتُم بِهِ كَافِرُونَ.
The Prophet Muhammad said, even if I bring to you a path more upright than what you found your forefathers following, they said, we do not believe in whatever you have been sent with.
فَانْتَقَمْنَا مِنْهُمْ فَانظُرْ كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
We henceforth took revenge on them. Therefore, see how was the outcome of those who belie.
وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ وَقَوْمِهِ إِنَّنِي بَرَاءٌ مِّمَّا تَعْبُدُونَ.
And when Ibrahim said to his father and his people, I am disgusted with that which you worship.
إِلَّا الَّذِي فَطَرَنِي فَإِنَّهُ سَيَهْدِينِ.
Except he who has created me, who will definitely direct me very soon.
وَجَعَلَهَا كَلِمَةً بَاقِيَةً فِي عَقِبِهِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْجِعُونَ.
And Ibrahim kept the statement of the oneness of Allah as a legacy amongst his progeny, in order that they may refrain.
بَلْ مَتَّعْتُ هَٰؤُلَاءِ وَآبَاءَهُمْ حَتَّىٰ جَاءَهُمُ الْحَقُّ وَرَسُولٌ مُّبِينٌ.
Father, I gave them and their forefathers the benefits of this world until the truth, i.e., the Quran and the beloved messenger who clearly conveyed the message came to them.
ولما جاءهم الحق قالوا هذا سحر وإنا به كافرون.
And when the truth came to them, they said, "This is magic, and we disbelieve in it."
وقالوا لولا نزل هذا القرآن على رجل من القريتين عظيم.
And they said, "Why was the Quran not sent down upon some chief of these two great towns?"
أهم يقسمون رحمة ربك نحن قسمنا بينهم معيشتهم في الحياة الدنيا ورفعنا بعضهم فوق بعض درجات ليتخذ بعضهم بعضا سخريا ورحمة ربك خير مما يجمعون.
Are they the distributors of your Lord's mercy? We have distributed amongst them their goods of livelihood in the life of this world, and we raised some of them over others in ranks. That one would mock the other, and the mercy of your Lord is better than all what they gather.
ولولا أن يكون الناس أمة واحدة لجعلنا لمن يكفر بالرحمن لبيوتهم سقفا من فضة ومعارج عليها يظهرون.
And had it not been that all the people would follow one religion, so we would have definitely provided for the deniers of the Most Gracious silver roofs and stairways of silver whereby they could climb.
وَلِبُيُوتِهِمْ أَبْوَابًا وَسُرُرًا عَلَيْهَا يَتَّكِئُونَ.
And doors of silver for their houses, and couches of silver upon which they could recline.
وَزُخْرُفًا وَإِن كُلُّ ذَلِكَ لَمَّا مَتَاعُ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةُ عِندَ رَبِّكَ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ.
And various kinds of adornments, and all this is only good for the life of this world, and the hereafter with your Lord is for the pious.
وَمَن يَعْشُ عَن ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ نُقَيِّضْ لَهُ شَيْطَانًا فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ.
And whoever has blinded himself from the remembrance of the Most Gracious, we appoint a devil upon him that he stays with him as his companion.
وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ.
And indeed, those devils prevent them from the straight path, and they think this, that they are on the straight path.
حتى إذا جاءنا قال يا ليت بيني وبينك بعد المشرقين فبئس القرين.
Until when a disbeliever will come to us, he will say to his devil, "Alas, if only there was a distance of east and the west between me and you. So, what an evil companion he is."
ولن ينفعكم اليوم إذ ظلمتم أنكم في العذاب مشتركون.
It will be said to them, "And you will never benefit from them this day, since you have committed injustice, that you all share the punishment."
أفأنت تسمع الصم أو تهدي العمي ومن كان في ضلال مبين.
So, will you make the deaf hear, or show the path to blind, and to those who are in open error?
فإما نذهبن بك فإنا منهم منتقمون.
So, if we take you away, O beloved, we shall definitely henceforth take revenge on them.
أو نرينك الذي وعدناهم فإنا عليهم مقتدرون.
Or show you what we have promised them, i.e., punishment, so we have complete power over them.
فاستمسك بالذي أوحي إليك إنك على صراط مستقيم.
Therefore, hold firm onto what we have revealed to you. Indeed, you are on the straight path.
وإنه لذكر لك ولقومك وسوف تسألون.
And indeed, it, i.e., the Quran, is undoubtedly a tribute for you and for your nation, and you will soon be questioned.
واسأل من أرسلنا من قبلك من رسلنا أجعلنا من دون الرحمن آلهة يعبدون.
And O beloved, ask those messengers whom we sent before you, did we ever appoint gods to be worshipped other than the most gracious? Never.
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا إلى فرعون وملئه فقال إني رسول رب العالمين.
And indeed, we sent Musa along with our signs towards Fir'aun and his chiefs. So he said, indeed, I am a messenger of him who is the owner of all the worlds.
فلما جاءهم بآياتنا إذا هم منها يضحكون.
When he then brought our signs to them, they immediately began mocking them.
وما نريهم من آية إلا هي أكبر من أختها وأخذناهم بالعذاب لعلهم يرجعون.
And all the signs we showed them were greater than the earlier ones, and we seized them with calamity that they may refrain.
وقالوا يا أيها الساحر ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك إننا لمهتدون.
And they said that, O you magician, supplicate for us to your Lord by the means of his covenant which is with you. We will certainly attain guidance.
فلما كشفنا عنهم العذاب إذا هم ينكثون.
When we then removed that calamity from them, they immediately broke the promise.
ونادى فرعون في قومه قال يا قوم أليس لي ملك مصر وهذه الأنهار تجري من تحتي أفلا تبصرون.
And Fir'aun called out amongst his nation that, O my people, is the kingship of Egypt not for me, and these rivers which flow beneath me? So do you not see?
أم أنا خير من هذا الذي هو مهين ولا يكاد يبين.
Or am I not better than him, Musa, who is an ordinary man and he does not seem to talk clearly?
فلولا ألقي عليه أسورة من ذهب أو جاء معه الملائكة مقترنين.
So, why was he not bestowed with bracelets of gold, or angels should have come with him, staying by him?
فاستخف قومه فأطاعوه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Then he fooled his people, so they followed him. Indeed, they were disobedient people.
فلما آسفونا انتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
So when they did that, due to which our wrath descended upon them, we took revenge on them. We henceforth drowned them all.
فجعلناهم سلفا ومثلا للآخرين.
So we made them a story of the past and an example for the latter people.
ولما ضرب ابن مريم مثلا إذا قومك منه يصدون.
And when the example of the son of Maryam is mentioned, your people start immediately laughing at it.
وقالوا أآلهتنا خير أم هو ما ضربوه لك إلا جدلا بل هم قوم خصمون.
And they say, are our deities better or he, i.e. Isa? They did not say this to you except to dispute unjustly. Rather, they are a quarrelsome people.
إن هو إلا عبد أنعمنا عليه وجعلناه مثلا لبني إسرائيل.
He, Isa, is not but only a bondsman of Allah, upon whom we have bestowed favor, and we made him a miraculous example for the children of Israel.
ولو نشاء لجعلنا منكم ملائكة في الأرض يخلفون.
And had we willed, so we would have let the angels dwell on the earth instead of you.
وإنه لعلم للساعة فلا تمترن بها واتبعون هذا صراط مستقيم.
O beloved, tell them, and indeed, the descending of Isa from the heavens is a sign of the day of resurrection. Therefore, never have doubt in the day of resurrection, and obey me. This is the straight path.
ولا يصدنكم الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
The devil must never stop you. He is indeed your open enemy.
ولما جاء عيسى بالبينات قال قد جئتكم بالحكمة ولأبين لكم بعض الذي تختلفون فيه فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
And when Isa came with clear signs, he said, I have brought to you wisdom, and for this reason that I explain to you some of the matters regarding which you dispute. Therefore fear Allah and obey me.
إن الله هو ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم.
Allah is indeed my Lord and yours, therefore worship Him. This is the straight path.
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين ظلموا من عذاب يوم أليم.
Groups then differed amongst themselves, so woe to the unjust people from the punishment of a painful day.
هل ينظرون إلا الساعة أن تأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
What are they waiting for except the last day, that it may suddenly come upon them while they are unaware?
الأخلاء يومئذ بعضهم لبعض عدو إلا المتقين.
Close friends will turn into enemies of one another on that day, except the pious.
يا عباد لا خوف عليكم اليوم ولا أنتم تحزنون.
It will be said to them, O my bondsmen, this day there shall be no fear upon you, nor any grief.
الذين آمنوا بآياتنا وكانوا مسلمين.
Those who believed in our verses and were Muslims.
ادخلوا الجنة أنتم وأزواجكم تحبرون.
Enter paradise, you and your wives, as being entertained as honored guests.
يطاف عليهم بصحاف من ذهب وأكواب وفيها ما تشتهيه الأنفس وتلذ الأعين وأنتم فيها خالدون.
Golden dishes and cups will be passed amongst them, and in it will be everything that the hearts desire, and which brings delight to the eyes, and you will live therein forever.
وتلك الجنة التي أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون.
And this is the paradise which you are made to inherit because of your deeds.
لكم فيها فاكهة كثيرة منها تأكلون.
For you are many fruits therein, from which you may eat.
إن المجرمين في عذاب جهنم خالدون.
Indeed, the culprits are to stay in the punishment of hell forever.
لا يفتر عنهم وهم فيه مبلسون.
And it will never be made light upon them, and therein they will remain in despair.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا هم الظالمين.
And we did not oppress them at all. Yes, they themselves were unjust.
ونادوا يا مالك ليقض علينا ربك قال إنكم ماكثون.
And they will cry out, O Malik, i.e., the name of the guard of hell, ask your Lord to destroy us. He will say, you are to stay forever.
لقد جئناكم بالحق ولكن أكثركم للحق كارهون.
Indeed, we have brought the truth to you, but most of you dislike the truth.
أم أبرموا أمرا فإنا مبرمون.
Do they assume that they have made their works solid? So, we shall make our works solid.
أم يحسبون أنا لا نسمع سرهم ونجواهم بلى ورسلنا لديهم يكتبون.
Do they arrogantly think that we do not listen to their whispers and their hidden consultation? Yes, why not? And our angels are with them, writing down their actions.
قل إن كان للرحمن ولد فأنا أول العابدين.
Say you, O beloved, if hypothetically the most gracious had offspring, so I would have been the first to worship it.
سبحان رب السماوات والأرض رب العرش عما يصفون.
Purity is to the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the Lord of the throne, from those things which they fabricate.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
Therefore, leave them to utter vile speech and to play, until they confront that day which they are promised.
وهو الذي في السماء إله وفي الأرض إله وهو الحكيم العليم.
And only He is the God of those of the heaven and the God of those of the earth, and only He is the wise, the all-knowing.
وتبارك الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما وعنده علم الساعة وإليه ترجعون.
And most blessed is He, for whom is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, and only with Him is the knowledge of the last day, and towards only Him you are to return.
ولا يملك الذين يدعون من دونه الشفاعة إلا من شهد بالحق وهم يعلمون.
And those whom they worship other than Allah do not have the right of intercession. Yes, the right of intercession is only for those beloveds of Allah who testify to the truth and have knowledge.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَهُمْ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
And if you ask them as to who created them, so they will definitely answer, Allah. So to where are they returning?
وَقِيلِهِ يَا رَبِّ إِنَّ هَٰؤُلَاءِ قَوْمٌ لَّا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
And I swear an oath by this saying of the beloved messenger that, O my Lord, these people do not believe.
فاصفح عنهم وقل سلام فسوف يعلمون.
Therefore, overlook them and just say salam to, that they will soon come to know their outcome.
صدق الله العظيم.